This year, we will use the funds to really double down on our go-to-market and in the core regions that we operate in, that is North America, Europe, UK, and the APAC region. APAC, namely ANZ, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. And we are also very active in European Union, United Arab Emirates, UK, and in North America. And those are our core markets, so we will just double down on those. That's why recently we launched our EMEA HQ in London at Bank. We are also doing an expansion in New York now. We are building teams in all the regions. So we are aggressively building pipeline and, trying to establish ourselves as a trusted partner because, let's be honest, we are still new in the market and most people still haven't heard about us. So we want to make sure that story changes, and we will invest a lot into brand awareness, reputation, and make sure people know what the most intuitive tool in the market is.
As a direct consumer new banking product, and I should just quickly add, by the way, we're not a bank today. We offer a bank-like service, but we're actually regulated as a distributor of an electronic money institution based in Gibraltar. But it allows us to provide all the features and functions that people would associate with a consumer bank. So one of the challenges we have as a consumer-facing fintech product is we have to scale and find a way for our product to appeal to very large numbers of people. So within the next 2 or 3 years, we've got to get into the hundreds of thousands, preferably millions of consumers using our product. We've also got to transition from a free product, which makes us virtually no money, which is an unusual thing about the UK fintech market, which is this expectation that banks are free for consumers. There's a huge cost for a bank to run all of that technology and all of those people needed to deliver a bank. And yet in the UK, we expect that as a free service, and that's fine, that's what it is. But what that means is we've got to add additional features to our product that bring us revenue. Otherwise, we can't survive and do all the great things we want to do with our business. So on that end, what we're really good at with the team we've got here is fast-paced launch of good products using the best fintech capabilities. So we will be launching the Zero Planet Safe savings account, instant access savings account in the next month or so, which will offer a leading interest rate with the money deposited in a planet safe place. So it's not going to be used by a bank to lend for drilling oil wells, for example. We're going to be launching, I've already mentioned, we're launching the Zero Carbon Projects, which is our carbon offsetting product, which ties into our Green Score feature to allow people to spend a little bit extra to compensate for any transactions or any spending that's harming the planet. We also aim to launch an ESG investment proposition to allow young people who want to put some of their money into longer term growth to outperform savings by investing in ESG funds so that they can aspire to have their money grow faster. We're also going to be introducing rewards or cashback type services for sustainable spending. So we could, like some other cards and banks have done, launch rewards where you get some cash back for everything you spend. But because of our drive to help people be more sustainable, we want to focus our lens on helping them to get rewards for when they're spending sustainably. And that's quite a challenge, but we're working hard on that at the moment. We'll also be powering up our community share option proposition, which is the part of our product which promises to set aside 20% of the value of the business for our customers to own for free, just for being a customer. And we've got more work to do to sort of bring that into the product at different touch points in people's experience with us.